What's the meaning of American Express? American Express. American Express. American Express. American Express. American Express.
American Express, often abbreviated as Amex, is a multinational financial services corporation headquartered in New York City. It was founded in 1850 and is one of the 30 components of the Dow Jones Industrial Average. The company is best known for its credit card products, traveler's check businesses, and charge card products. American Express is also involved in a variety of other financial services, including insurance and investment products. The company has a reputation for providing high-end customer service and benefits to its cardholders, and its cards are particularly popular among affluent consumers.